I want to state it very clear that the strike by the nurses and the clinical officers is still on. We are in the 17th day, and there is no court order in place that has stalled our strike. And therefore, I want to encourage our members outside here that they should continue being strong. They should keep off the working stations just as we started, so that they remain safe until the government ensures that our areas of work are safe and we can go back and work safely without being exposed to that excessive risk that we have been facing. Other Kenyans are dying, but they are not dying in the line of their duties. And that is why we were classified as frontline health workers and soldiers of this country during the fight of the pandemic. I want to tell Kenyans that it is very unfortunate that we have leaders who, instead of addressing the issues that have been put forward by the health workers to be settled by the government, they are using sideshows to avoid answering the real pertinent questions that the health workers are asking. We must be protected from getting COVID-19 infection too. And this must be done by giving us quality PPEs, adequate PPEs, sufficient PPEs, and this must be felt on the ground in our facilities, not at KEMSA, where orders are being given and orders are not being implemented. I wish our good minister or CS, Mutahi Kagwe, could direct his energies to KEMSA so that those PPEs can be brought to health workers so that they can use them and protect themselves.